Happy Sunday. Who's waiting for that $50,000 Bitcoin? I am, because I've been accumulating for this past 2 years, and I'm ready now to get these parabolic moves. I want that, like that last bull market that we had. I want to see everybody make money. Everybody make life changing sums of money, you know, in terms of where you could pay your big debts off, or you could buy and go on these really nice holidays and just be that financially, be that bit more comfortable. And this is why I'm going to do this video, because I'm going to cover very briefly crypto.com, bit of Derace, bit of Tectonic, you know, and a bit of Bitcoin, because obviously there's lots of things going on in the market at the moment. We're getting close to that 50,000. Before I start, give us a like, give us a subscribe. It's always appreciated. If you don't know what to do, give us a thumbs down. You know, it is what it is. But I hope everybody has packed their bags and getting ready for this bull market, because you still get the few of the naysayers, some of the bears coming out still angry, disappointed because they've gone and missed the boat on the lower prices that we've had, you know. And people are still saying, oh, we could go down to 10,000. I'm not saying that we couldn't, but I think it's very unlikely now. I really do. There's too much fundamentals out there, good fundamentals out there, which is basically is gearing us up for this bull market. And obviously, you know, we could always get a black swan, you know, at any point in time. You know, there's lots of geopolitical issues at the moment, but, you know, at the moment, I'm not thinking about that. I'm thinking about this bull market, and I'm on about like making life-changing money, making financial freedom, because the Bitcoin at the moment is sitting at $48,149. Do not forget, if you're trading today, low liquidity, so be careful out there. But at the moment, we've got the market cap sitting at $1.79 trillion. And we can see on here, on the bubbles at the moment, we can see on here, it's a bit of a mixed bag, a bit low at the moment, but like I say, it's just low liquidity. And that we've had some tokens pumping up, but PIF. But if we look on, actually go on to today, it's all green. So on the hourly, we're a bit low, but as of today, we're up. We've got Beam sitting at 18.6, Link at 11.5, you know, PIF at 6.7. So you even got Bonk starting to climb up a little bit, but lots of things going on at the moment, you know, because are we going to get, I was going to cover this, but are we going to get any kind of crypto Super Bowl adverts? Personally, I really don't think so. I'm really glad it isn't, because last time we had those Super Bowl, what happened? We went into the bear market. That was the sort of the top. So no ads so far coming through. You know, at the moment, you know, but hopefully, I don't think, I've heard nothing about crypto.com. They don't need it. Why do they need to go on to like the Super Bowl? I don't think any crypto, or like FTX is definitely not doing it, but, you know, any crypto companies out, exchanges out there, I have not heard or seen anything. Let me know in the comments unless you've heard something off the grapevine regarding any crypto ads going up. But I've not heard anything, you know. But like Bitcoin, let's have a check at Bitcoin on the charts at the moment. And every time I've done these falling wedges, they have broken out. We've followed this smart trail. The smart trail's still going up. We've had a little bit of a pullback, but then we started to push up. We had this falling wedge. The falling wedge, we broke out of that wedge, and we've hit my target here at $48,000. So basically now what we're doing is we're basically just accumulating. And you can see on the oscillator here that money flow is starting to come up. It's starting to pick up again. So hopefully, when it comes, don't forget that today is like, you know, is like low liquidity. So, but at the moment, we've got the money flows coming in. We've got Bitcoin is just come out of this falling wedge at the moment. So everything is looking really bullish. And the trend strength at the moment is at 65.49. Volatility is high. The squeeze is at 9.45. And volume sentiment is at 14.60. So we just got to be careful of the volume at the moment. Liquidity is very low. It's typical. It's a weekend. People go away. People put some buy orders or sell orders on. But at the moment, a lot of people go away. They're all waiting for Monday when that liquidity starts coming in. Because don't forget, that Bitcoin liquidity, ETF liquidity is coming in, and it's getting stronger and stronger and stronger. We notice GBTC is getting, and the sell pressure is getting weaker. So obviously now that's getting weaker, and now we can hopefully get a push up to that $50,000 mark, and that's what I'm after. But go to CRO. CRO is not doing too bad. We're starting to pick up again. We're over 8.5 cents at the moment. We're up on the 1 day. It was just changed now, up 2% on the day. On the 7 day, we're basically we're sort of like, yeah, we're sort of down on the volume at the moment on the 24, but I'm not surprised. Low liquidity, low volume on weekend, but gradually we're all pushing up. We're all pushing up, and looking at the Bitcoin pair at the moment, we've sort of been on that downwards trend, but we're trying to fight in there to pick up. We're at 0.93%, but at the moment we're just dropping down. We're on basically on the stock deviance at the moment. We're sort of bottoming out on there. So hopefully, come in the week, we'll start to push back up, because Bitcoin dominance has actually sort of been picking up a little bit more, heading back up at the moment, because obviously Bitcoin is hitting at 48,000. But CRO at the moment, we're coming up to a little bit of resistance here on the smart trail. We're on basically on a bearish move here at the moment, and basically we're trying to push back up. And we've come into this channel of accumulation area. We've pushed back up into that now. So hopefully we can break that and get back up and get onto that blue smart trail and start pushing back up at the moment. So yeah, but on the moment, we're starting to get a little bit of on a deviance here. So we've got a bit of a lower high there. We're starting to push back up here. Let's get that back up here. And then we're starting to push up. So we've got basically a hidden bullish bearish divergence at the moment. So hopefully we can break through that. That's what I'm hoping. We break through that and make a continuation up. So like I said, it's just low volume at the moment. But at the moment, you can, like I said, lots of positive things happening with crypto.com. You know, with all what's going on, we've got the market smart trending decision with signals, crypto.com app, detailed price changes. It's all live with that live volume trade. I did it on a previous video. So like I said, with crypto.com, they're all coming out with all the goodies at the moment and that. And they did promise that in the bear market. They promised that all the old perks will start coming back with new and exciting perks also. And we're just at the start of the bull market. So, you know, if you're not bullish now on CRO, I do not know what to say. And also, we've got that 98% vote of yes to turn up the rewards tap to proceed with the increase of CRO incentives, which is really, really mega bullish again. And this is what people want. They want those APRs to come back in and get straight back up, because we've just been dropping off over time. And basically, to get people back in, we need these APRs to come back up there, to get that traction back up for people to come back in the Kronos chain, their ecosystem. It's looking really, really bullish at the moment, and I'm really excited for CRO. If you're not geared up for it, I do not know what to say, because when this bull market really goes full bull mode, you know, you don't want to be left behind. And, you know, you always do your own research. You never listen to what I say. I know nothing. So, you know, do your own research in that. That's all I say. That's all I say. But we've got Derace. Derace is absolutely been killing it over this 7 days. Up 31% in this past 7 days. Absolutely mega bullish. You know, it's a low cap. The circulating supply is at what, 99.3. We're nearly there. There's nothing out there really. So at the moment, it's all mega bullish. But if we could get onto some more, you know, get on the Coinbase, or we could get on a Binance, this is super. That'd be absolutely mental. That would be. I'd actually go crazy. But you know, at the moment, like I said, 31% up in this last 7 days. We've had a bit of a pullback on Derace on the last day, but you know, but look what's happened. We had a bit of a pullback, a bit of a dip there, but look at that, absolutely gone crazy. 31%, can't grumble. You know, lots of things are going on with Derace. You know, if we go to the Friday development, this was on 1 day ago. Teams and clubs were excited to announce the launch of teams and club features on our testnet. This is initial rollout is a foundation step towards creating a more interactive, collaborative platform, enabling players to form or join teams and clubs within the Derace community. This is, you know, this is the thing. It's such a low cap, but really exciting. Horse racing, crypto mixed in together. Pretty exciting, if you ask me. And like I said, I've been accumulating right down around about this volume here, right down here. I've been accumulating, and all we've just been doing is pushing up. But like the tournaments responding to the needs of our community, we've begun enhancing tournament functionality to Derace. Significant focus. We've got a finalising of the roadmap after an extensive discussion with our team and deep engagement with our community, including valuable conversations with Deraces and Derace Army. We're on the verge of finalising a new roadmap. This roadmap is not just a plan for the future, but also a reflection for our commitment to alignment of Derace development within the needs and aspirations of our community. And incorporating the community feedback in the roadmap is a key aspect of approach. By incorporating feedback collective from the players, we're ensuring that the roadmap priorities the features improvement that most matter to our community. And do you know something? When I look at this, and I look at all time where basically the market cap is off right now, which was basically we are just at 50 million. We've really gone up, and we went all the way up to 263 roundabout 268 million market cap. I do not see why we cannot get back up to there and surpass it, because if we get listed on a Coinbase or a Binance, or what's happening with this, what's going to come out with this new roadmap, I really can't see why we can't get back up to that $268 million market cap, which will take us up to around about $8. And I think we could surpass that. If Bitcoin goes well past its, its all-time high, and that money starts trickling in, and we get a new roadmap, and we get new listings, why can't we get back up to that $8 mark and surpass it? And if you've been building when everything has been so bearish, you've been building all the way down here when we're at like 15 pence, even when we are of today at 42 pence, we're way away from that $8. We've got lots of room to make a move up. Absolutely bullish indeed. Minor platform improvements as well. We've got an additional majority developments week, also focus on minor platform improvements, enhance the overall user experience, which is always bullish. But the new roadmap that's going to be coming out, finalizing it, is mega bullish in my opinion. Mega bullish indeed. And this was done one day ago. So if you're not in Derace at the moment, again, like everything else with CRO, Derace, Tectonic as well has been up. We're at 1.9 on the 7 days. So with Tectonic, Derace, Vulcan Forge, we've got CRO. These are my favorite tokens to explode in this market. And we can see here, Tectonic at the moment is gradually starting to push up. Look at that beautiful candle up here. But we've got here on the February the 9th, here's a follow-up of the 3 years emission DeFi pools allocation. Our team has started allocating tonic emissions to DeFi protocols. The DeFi pools, including USDC, USDT, Ferro, Vino, and Full, are now being incentivized and boosted. More bullish sentiment. Tectonic, it's such a, again, it's just like a low market cap. Position 639. And look where we are, 33 million market cap. If we go back to the ore, we went from 35, and look where we are at the moment. We've got to 45 to go. We're actually mega bullish. I really can see this really pumping back up to that $45 million. I really do. It's really absolutely mega bullish. I'm mega bullish of Tectonic. Lots of way. We're 96% down from all-time high, and lots of things are being developed on it. I'm mega bullish on Tectonic and what they've accomplished. It's all the partnerships they're doing as well. Everything they're doing, all these pools, what they're creating. It's, again, it's one of those ones. If you're sitting on the sideline, I don't know what to say again, because I've been right down where we are at the moment, down 96%. When CRO kicks off, expect Tectonic to follow. And Tectonic, it's just going to explode. And again, a low market cap. Just exactly like Derace, a low market cap. But we've got so much to go. So much. There's such an early start. this bull market is going to go all into 2025 unless we get a black swan event, which could happen. I just can't see why we're not going to go in full bull mode. But for these projects that I've been DCAing in, I'm ready now for this explosion to get to all-time highs and above. I really do think you're going to get your naysayers, you get your naysayers in every one. But I really do think CRO is going to get back up to $1 and beyond. And Derace, I really do think, again, is going to get back up to, you know, to that $8. I really do. And if people don't think, well, I don't think that, but they can see all the bullishness on Derace. You know, best coin on the market. No one talks about this. Soon they will. We had a little snippet of Alex Becker talking about it, but they will. When this roadmap comes out and we start exploding, people will start be talking about it again. So that's where I am at the moment. I've done my accumulation on the projects I like. If we get a big dip back down, I will buy some more. But at the moment, absolutely bullish. And, you know, I don't know what to say. So I hope everybody's having a fantastic Sunday. Lots of things happening this week in the markets in general. Yeah, we can have a quick check of that before I go. Actually, we can have a look, see what's going on in the markets this week. So we get core inflation, which is major important. It gives them what the information they need for the next FOMC meeting. So we've got rates. So we've got basically, yeah. So we've got retail sales month on month, and like I said, we've got the inflation rates month on month. And we've got it on the, yeah, so mega things happening at the moment. So I'll leave you to it. So have a great Sunday. Be careful, low liquidity, and let's have a great week. Let's get to that $50 Bitcoin. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.